फातिमा, कल शाम तुम कहाँ थी?
लता, तुम्हें पता है कल शाम मैं अपनी नानी के यहाँ गई थी। वहाँ पर नानी ने मिट्टी के बर्तनों में चूल्हे पर जो पकवान पकाया, उफ, क्या स्वादिष्ट खाना था।
अरे वाह, तुम कितनी नसीब वाली हो। वैसे तुमने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा। आजकल तो हम सब गैस चूल्हे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जिससे समय और ईंधन दोनों का बचत होता है, पर उसमें चूल्हे जैसा स्वाद कहाँ।
हाँ, तुमने ठीक याद दिलाया। हमारा ये जो अगला कार्यक्रम होने जा रहा है, जिसमें मॉन्ट वन के बच्चे बहुरूप पोशाक में जो अभिनय करने जा रहे हैं, वो भी तो इसी विषय पर आधारित है।
अरे हाँ हाँ, जिसमें बच्चे हमें अपने अभिनय के माध्यम से प्राचीन से नवीन उपकरणों के विकसित होने के दृश्य को दर्शाएंगे। तो जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत करते हैं।
अब मैं ऋत्विक और यशस्वी को मंच पर फैंसी ड्रेस के प्रस्तुतकर्ता के रूप में बुलाना चाहूंगी।
Good evening everyone. Welcome to our fantastic fancy dress performance featuring ancient and modern gadgets. Today our talented children of Mont 1 will showcase gadgets from ancient times to modern era, highlighting how technology has evolved over the years.
As each participant takes the stage with their parent, I'll announce their name along the gadget they are portraying, so we can appreciate their creativity and the hard work. Let's get started. Our first participant is Harsha M, who is representing the ancient television. Please give him a warm welcome. Televisions were originally conceived as a way to extend the sense of sight and hearing beyond physical distance. It was envisioned as a medium for education and communication. Television were the most common in mid-20th century till the early 2000s. The first television broadcasts were black and white and low resolution compared to today's smart televisions.
Next up, we have Anish dressed up as Smart Television. Let's give them a big round of applause. Smart TV can provide access to a wide range of content, including movies, TV show, music, games, and sports. You can stream content from services like Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, Spotify. You can also watch cable and satellite broadcasting if you install the relevant app.
It is followed by Shreyanvi Shrikar, who has dressed up as a table fan. Fans held many uses throughout history, including cooling the face and body in hot and humid climates, keeping insects away, cooling food, ceremonial use, social status, and traditional dress. There are many kinds of fans like table fan, ceiling fan, industrial fan, exhaust fan, etc.
The next we have Garmika dressed up as an air conditioner. Let's give her a warm welcome. Air conditioner can filter and circulate air, removing pollutants and mold. Air conditioner can help to maintain a comfortable temperature. AC systems regulate indoor temperature and humidity, which can help to prevent heat-related illness like heat stroke and dehydration.
Now, we have Mallikarjuna as an ancient lantern. Ancient lanterns were used for many purposes, including lighting in public spaces, outdoor areas, and interiors. Lanterns were used to signal the status of tracks on railroads, to communicate between ships, and to signal travelers. Lanterns protected the light source from wind, rain, and other causes. Lantern often used for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities when portable light source is required. Also used for decoration during festival and events. In many cultures, lanterns are associated with light, hope, and guidance.
Next up, we have Manvi, who has dressed up as light. Modern lighting, rooted in mid-20th century. Modern lighting is defined by clean lines, minimalistic design, and focus on function. Light-based technology such as optical fiber networks allows us to connect rapidly with people worldwide over the internet.
Here is Deshnadiya, who has dressed up as a camera. Let's give a big round of applause. The camera obscura was a room-sized structure with a small hole in one side. Light passed through the hole and projected an inverted image onto the surface of wall inside the camera. The word camera obscura is Latin for dark chamber. Obscura was used by artists and scientists to study light. It was not used for capturing permanent images but helped in understanding how images are formed.
The next participant is Ganav, who has dressed up as drone camera. Drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Cameras can capture spectacular aerial photos and videos. They can fly into those heights that humans would not be able to reach. Allowing for the wonderful view, camera drones can take your photography to the most next level.
It is followed by Mohammad Nussair Khalendar as a pot. Water stored in earthen pots, also known as clay pots or matkas, with is shaped and fixed at high temperature to harden it. These pots have been used for thousands of years in various cooking, storage and decoration. Pots have many potential health benefits including improved hydration, improved digestion, pleasant taste, gentle on throat, eco-friendly and retains original taste and nutrition.
Here we have Ritika Kumari as water purifier. Water purifier are important because they provide clean drinking water that is free of contaminants and pathogens that can cause serious health issues, removes dangerous microorganisms, guaranteeing that there are no bacteria, viruses or parasites in the water that you drink.
Next, we have Chavi HS as mortar and pestle. A mortar and pestle is a kitchen tool that can be used for many purposes like grinding, crushing solid substance into powder, mixing, smashing, making paste, making spices blend, making sauces and dips. Now, we have Nigam as microwave oven. Let's give a big round of applause. And microwave oven is a multi-purpose kitchen equipment that may be used for a variety of tasks. Microwave ovens are useful for reheating and cooking meals, roasting, baking, etc. This gadget warms the food item by the radiation through it rather than cooking with heat on a burner.
Now we have Prekshit who has dressed up as refrigerator. Refrigerator is an appliance used to store food and beverages at cool temperature and prevent spoilage. It works by removing heat from the interior and releasing it out, side maintaining a temperature between 35 degree Fahrenheit to 37 degree Fahrenheit. Modern refrigerators have multiple compartments, freezing adjustable temperature control and energy efficient design.
It is followed by Vihar Srinivas as a washing machine. It is an electrical appliance used to automatically wash different kinds of fabrics. It is an essential household item that saves time and effort compared to manual washing. Modern machines come with Wi-Fi connectivity and touchscreen control that allows to monitor washing clothes from our smartphones.
The last but not the least, we have Shushanta's radio. Radio is a device that receives radio waves and converts into sound. It has been essential medium for communication, entertainment for over centuries. Radio broadcasts provide real-time information, and some that broadcast 24 hours a day can provide the most recent updates to the listeners. Radio has ability to reach across borders. Wow, what an amazing display of talent and creativity we have seen today. Each participant brought their own unique flair and charm to the stage, and we are impressed. Let's give them a big round of applause to all our wonderful performers for their hard work and enthusiasm. Thank you.